Hello friends, how are you? How to lot of make money on the copywriting for beginners, how to start earn money. You can freelancer, very easy work, the copywriting, the make money, how to start earn money on copywriting. Do you know that can earn 40 to $120 manually writing words? You amount round yearly 64 to 6,400 and 19,000 per year and monthly copywriting. Highly demand the copywriting income, the demandable site freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr marketplace. Now you mind viewer, who is the copywriting and that extend those copywriting months. Its blog post will deliver deep into its topics and the end of the blog will get clear picture. The freelancer copywriting, the person and who can make great money in this. What is the copywriting? In a simple template, copywriting means writing word, convert people to take in, create action. In that are science using writing words, parts, the reads, taken specific action. Now this action can be for site, them, click or link, creation, email address, convert, make, business, etc. How much do copywriting make? Including the copywriting made generally depends the level, experience the copywriting has. In this copywriting space, we can find, assess them of copywriting. Rendering, beginning, copywriting word class, professional copywriting. In the lot of source, the combined the $200 per hour copywriting, the copywriting lot of source, how to make money the online. You can copyright start then the copywriting space we can find the assessment, the copywriting, branding, the weekend course, world class. The copywriting, the professional copywriter, the demand, the marketplace, the per hour $200. You can the expert and excellent copywriter hands the so demandable the international market or local market then of Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Last show see very simple. You can search this YouTube, Google, lot of video provide the copyright content and Google the provide the copyright knowledge. You can just start to them the copyright. Very easy and very simple work the copywriting how to lot of make money on the online platform. You can gain then of scale the copyright content. Just try it. Very easy. I make to the my YouTube channel the make money. You have the lot of the specific content how to make money on the online platform. Very easy work. You can skill hand the how much copyright. You are the expert and excellent copyright content creator. The per hour your demand $2,000. Okay, my friends. Just information. Your technique, the source of raw material, source of website, source of link, the social media, on the Google, YouTube, the lot of platform, the knowledge gather, your skill hand the copywriting. You can just try him. The lot of demand, the copywriting, marketplace, Upwork, Fiverr. The less so much. Copywriting make beside there are experience levels. The 0 to 1 year's experience, $28 to $30 per hour. Okay, the 1 to 3 years experience, $30 to $50 per hour. The 7 to 10 years experience, $100 to $200 per hour. The 10 years experience, the $100 per hour. You highly make money the copywriting. Very easy and simple work. Oh friends, you can start the copywriting. What do the copywriting explain do? The unlimited goal, the copywriting, writing copy to online, offline products. There are create content, the education, there are largest audience, the sales, and tomorrow taking the action. The many also write copy and the learn process. The third is the social media post, writing paper, email, blog, sales product, and even skip. Third high, we should note that the writing content just the practical text, the beginning copyright as a copywriting. You may have the far from erase the state. The research, editing, content making, proper readings, interviewing, handling project, schedule reviews, delivers make, and email companies. The type of copyright work, the researching, editing, content marketing, proof editing, inviting view, handling project, search or relevance image, development marketing, email marketing. Also you make a copyright, your roles, and the enter SEO, search engine optimization, the planning, and social media management. If we bio draw the key take that copywriting has undertaken, the words be researched, the content easily, the copyright ready. There are the 5 setup, the start our business, the freelancing work. Number 1, minimum yourself the learning project. Copywriting is skill because the learn through the difference project. Bookkeeping, advertising, engagement, consolation, advertising, draw, influencer, rabbit, brown letter. Number 2, perfect copyright expert the profile skill. One of goal, the familiar with the founder, you can start the parsing copyright expert. Example, you can do the copyright site www.swiped.co. swiped.co. Number 3, join community. Learn from the field of success. The more powerful a group of people, the marching together, same mission when you have community. Advertising, copywriting as like LinkedIn, copywriting network group LinkedIn, copyright job Facebook, copyright given, copyright Facebook groups, copyright Reddit. You can copyright knowledge, copyright skill hand must be joined. Advertising copyright LinkedIn group, and copyright job Facebook, copyright group Facebook, and Reddit. Number 4, write your events practice the honorable new clients. When you go a graph on the basic practice, the copyright, you can hop into the product, the create your label, e-commerce, commercial, etc. Number 5, start network, the pricing, the service, make money. Must be have skill a new copywriter. content who take together audience and pictures. Friends, I request them, you are the very easy and simple work, copyright work. You can start, you can skill gather him, the copyright work, the how to lot of make money copywriting work, the Fiverr, Upwork, marketplace, etc. etc. You can start today the copywriting working. Thank you very much. I special request them your comment, your like, your sharing my videos, and I love my this knowledge sharing. Thank you. Request subscribe, views.